Hey, welcome back. Welcome to Daily Objects Season 5. Don't ask how this is happening. Here are your contestants. Hello, I am Sticky Notes. Hello, I am Notepad. Hello, I am Minion. Hello, my name is Cute Little Toy. Oh, that's such a wonderful cast of contestants. Okay, so your first challenge is to fall. Minion wins immunity. Good job. Okay, vote one of the people. Voting ends in 2 hours. Oh, I guess I messed up badly. Hey, Minion, you did pretty well on the last challenge. Do you want to form an alliance with me?